Okay, now we are going to take up problem and solution. Okay, we discuss whether the following are short term or long term. Is it? Whether the following transactions, see one by one, you have to see whether it is short term or long term. Do you remember? Once again, recap. If any capital asset held more than 36 months, it is long term capital asset. Any capital asset less than or equal to 36 months, short term capital asset. But in case of listed shares, equity oriented fund, zero coupon bond, the period is not 36 months, 12 months. In case of debt equity oriented mutual funds, 36 months. Then apart from these two items, and one more thing, very important point, immovable property, okay, land or building, and unlisted shares, the holding period is 24 months. More than 24, long term. Less than or equal to 24 months, short term. Okay. So based on this, we will discuss number 1A. X purchased a residential house on 10/3/2017. The date is very important, 10/3/2017, and sells it on 26/12/2019. Whether it is a long term or short term. Come on. Quick. See, residential house is nothing but immovable property. Provision, immediate note it down. Immovable property, the period is 24 months. See, 10/3/2017, it ends on 9/3/2019. 9/3/2019. So 17, 18, 19, March over. Yeah, they are going to sell 26/12. Thereby it is more than 24 months, long term. It is long term. Do you understand? See, very simple, man. This residential house property is nothing but immovable property. Okay, immovable property is more than 24 months. It's a long term capital asset. That means it's a long term. Determine whether, see, the total 5 or 6 items given. Determine whether long term or short term. Okay. Then second one, X purchased a land, immovable property, 10/3/18. Sales it 26/12/2019. 18 means 19, 20, before 20, that is before 24 months, they are going to sell. That way it is short term. Point Purida, remember, if you held more than 24 months, it is long term. It is less than 24 months, short term. This is less than 24. Why purchase listed shares? You have to immediately, what? Exactly, 12 months, very good. 12 months. So 10/3/2018, okay. 10/3/2019, long term. More than 10/3/2019, long term. Here 6 is 19. That means more than 12 months, it is long term. Very good, very good. Keep it up. Or purchase unlisted shares. Unlisted shares, the period is 24 months. Very good, very good. So 10/3/2018, 19, 20. So before 2020, they are going to sell. That way it is short term. Then X Limited sells plant and machinery in 2019-20 after using the assets for 5 years. See, if assets used for more than 3 years, that is 6 months, 5 years. What? Long term? Sorry, wrong. See, keep always remember the provisions, very important. If you mug up the provisions, see, mug up is not a matter. Okay, the presentation, application of provisions very important. Then mug up. Okay, you have to strike, very important. See, plant and machinery, I am telling plant and machinery. All depreciable assets are short term, irrespective of holding. See, even though you are holding 10 years, still it is short term capital. Asset or short term. So this is short term because it is depreciable assets. This is very important. Now I am going to discuss. Mr. X, present owner, purchase a house in 2004-5, gift to son. Actually, he is the owner. Gift to son, Mr. Y. Yes. Gift to son, Mr. Y on 1/11/2019. And in turn, Mr. Y sells to Mr. Z on 22/2020. Father gift to his son. When? The date is 1/11/2019. But actually the father purchased the property 2004-5. Very important. the period of holding. Say first take son. See, he is the current owner. Okay, he is going to sell. He is previous owner, not present. Sorry, he is a right previous owner. Previous owner. X purchase. X is a previous owner, of course. Transfer to son Y. Y sell the property 2020. Okay, as far as Y is concerned, what is the cost? What is the cost of son? What is the cost of the property? 0. Why? Because it is gifted. Thereby, cost of the Y is not considered. Cost of the previous owner to be taken into account. That is, cost is nothing but purchase price of father 2045. How much? I don't know. They are not given. So, cost is not only cost, even holding period also. This is famous case law. Manjula J. Shah versus CAT. Repeat. Manjula J. Shah versus CAT. Commission on Income Tax. I think Bombay or Delhi High Court. Exactly, I don't know. In the particular case law clearly given that, okay, the holding period not from the present owner. It is come from previous owner. That is father. Thereby, for this case it is short term. In fact, this is long term. You have to take it not from 1/11/2019. You have to consider with 2004-5 to 2020. It is a long term. Any doubt? Note it down. See, this is indexation. Based on this, we are going to solve 2 or 3 sums. After that, we are going to exemptions section 54. Okay, note it down. Now we are going to take up 3 sums. Okay, listen. X acquired. See. Okay, I write it as a short form. Written as a short form. Okay. X acquired 2004-5 rupees 4,75,000. In addition to that, 26,000 are registration charges. Registration charges. See, already I told that the registration charges also form part of our cost of acquisition. So thereby your purchase cost not 4,75,000. 4,75,000 plus 26,000, 5,01,000. Fine. X died. X died 15/9/2010. Okay. Then the property transferred to Mr. Y, his son. That time the market value is 25 lakhs. That time market value is 25 lakhs. Y sold the property rupees 40 lakhs. Compute capital gain. Compute capital gain. See, in case of gift or inheritance something, okay, cost of the previous owner to be taken into account and also the period, okay, not from the present owner, it is also come from the previous owner. The famous case Manjula J. Shah versus CAT. So, question number 1. Computation of capital gain, long-term capital gain. Short form I put sale consideration. How much? He sold at 40 lakhs. Less selling expenses, nothing mentioned, so nil. Your net consideration 40 lakhs. Your net consideration 40 lakhs. Next, less indexed cost of acquisition. Very important. Here, cost of the Y will be 0 because it's gifted property. Thereby you will be taken from X, that is his father cost. Father cost 4,75,000 plus 26. It comes to 5,01,000. Of course, you know, index of the year 289. This is very important. This is 2001 or 2 of the first year SSC, who will the asset, whichever is later. So in this case, the asset held by Mr. Y on 15/9/2010. Thereby 2010-11. There is a contravention. If you take 2010-11 or father, the property acquired by Mr. X in 2004-5. If you take 2010-11 also correct, 2004-5 also correct, based on the decision. You can check it in your study material. Okay, so I am going to take 2004-5. So 2004-5, 113. Thereby 5,01,000 divided by 113 into 289. amounts to 1 lakh 12 lakh 81,000 12 lakh 81,318. Therefore, thereby long-term capital gain 27 lakhs 18,680. Any doubt? Suppose if you take 2009-10, sorry 2010-11, 167. In this case, 5 lakh 1,000 divided by 167 into 289. It amounts to 8 lakh 67. Round figure. 8 lakh 67. You take both, either 113 or 140, 167. Both are will be same, but you have to give assumption. Okay. Any doubt? This is question number 1. Then question number 2. Listen. X acquired land in 1977-78. So before 1/4/2001, there were choices there. Choice available for assessing. Okay. 2 lakhs he purchased. Gift to Mr. Y, son, 1/6/1989. 1/6/1989. That time market value is 2 lakh 50. See, this market value is irrelevant. This is also irrelevant. Fair market value was 1/4/2001 16 lakhs. Finally, Y sold the property at 51 lakhs. Y sold the property at 51 lakhs. So, same sale consideration less selling expenses. So, 51 lakhs. This is nil. 51 lakhs. This is your net consideration less interest cost of acquisition. See, listen carefully. Gifted. Thereby, cost of the previous owner to be taken into account. Cost of the previous owner before 1/4/2001. There are choices there. Purchase price 2 lakhs or fair market value 16 lakhs. Whichever is higher. 16 lakhs. So 16 lakhs divided by 100 into 289. So 16 lakhs 46 lakh 24,000. 46 lakh 24,000. Thereby 4 lakh 76. This is your long-term capital gain. This is your long-term capital. Hey, doubt? Please note it down. Third sum is little bit big. Okay, I will try this one. Okay, so note the problem. Quick. I will give only 10 seconds. Quick. Now we are going to take the last sum. See, Mr. C purchased property for rupees 1,06,000 on 15/5/1975. 1975. Okay. He did the cost of conception. Okay, he will construct the first floor. Okay, when 82-83, 3,10,000. Again, he constructed second floor in 2002-2003, 7,35,000. And also reconstruction of the house in 2013, 5,50,000. Fair market value of the property 1/4/2001, 8,50,000. Mr. C sold the property on 10/8/2019 for rupees 72 lakhs. Expenditure of transfer, that is selling expenses 2 lakhs. Here, so sale consideration how much? 72 lakhs. Take 72. What about selling expenses? 2 lakhs. Thereby net consideration 70 lakhs. When come to interest cost of acquisition, listen, the property purchased by Mr. C 1975, thereby before 1/4/2001, according to the choice of the assessee, purchase price or fair market value as on 1/4/2001 will be the cost. Thereby 1,06,000 purchase price. Fair market value 1/4/2001, 8,50,000. Which is higher? Obviously 8,50,000. Thereby 8,50,000 divided by 100 into 289. How much? It amounts to 8,50,000 into 289%. 24,56,500. 24,56,500. Next comes to indexed cost of improvement. Listen, there are 3 constructions going on. 3 construction gone. In fact, 3 construction. First one is to the 82-83. I repeat, provision says before any improvement took place before 1/4/2001 shall be ignored. Thereby, this construction not to be taken. First floor. What about second floor? Of course, 2002-3 indexation 105. Don't worry, it is given in the problem itself. So 7,35,000 divided by 105 into 289. And reconstruction of the house in 2012, that also allowed as deduction. 5,50,000 into 289, no doubt, divided by 2012-13, 200. How much it cost? So 7,35,000 divided by 105 into 289, 20,23,000. 20,23,000. Then 5,50,000 divided by 200 into 289, 7,94,000, 750. Total amounts to 28 lakhs 17,000 750. Thereby, from this you have to deduct these two items. Taxable long-term capital gain. $17,25,000 750. Any doubt? From this, we are concluding today's session. Okay, in upcoming classes, we are going to see the exemptions. See, this is our taxable gain. How much? 17 lakhs. You have to pay 20% on this. How much? 3 lakh, around 3 lakh. 17 lakh 25,000 into 20%. 3 lakh 45,000 something you are liable to pay. Okay, how to save the tax here? That is exemptions. Okay, sale of house property. This is house property. Suppose if we purchase another house, that is section 54. We discuss about next class section 54, 54B, 54D, 54EC, 54E, 54F. Okay. Then capital gain part 3 is there. What is part 3? That what do you call section 50C, slum sale is there. Okay. What do you call advance money forfeited, section 51 is there. Okay. So these are the things we will take up upcoming classes. Okay. From this we conclude today's class. Any doubt? If you make any doubt, please put on comments. Okay. All the best. No doubt.